Welcome to Rhinelander Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in inventory, and comes equipped with keyless entry, MP3 player, tow package, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, traction control, side airbags, tinted windows, and has less than 95,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Rhinelander Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, customer service is our top priority. We care about our customers because we're all part of the community. We have competitive pricing to ensure our customers get the best deals on all the cars and trucks we sell. We strive to make sure that everyone leaves our lot a happy customer. So come visit us here at Rhinelander Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Don't dream it, drive it. We're located at 3620 North Highway 47 in Rhinelander.